Today, we're diving into Google Antigravity AI tool that promises to revolutionize the way we approach coding. But can it really deliver on that promise? Let's unpack this and see if it's worth your time and investment. Google Antigravity is designed to assist developers by simplifying the coding process, leveraging AI to generate code snippets and even entire functions based on natural language input. The core functionality revolves around making coding more intuitive, especially for those who may not have deep programming knowledge. You type in your requirements and the tool aims to translate them into executable code. At first glance, the interface appears user-friendly, which is a plus for beginners. The tool seems to cater to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to seasoned developers looking for a productivity boost. However, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation or examples on the site, which could leave users feeling a bit lost when trying to figure out the extent of its capabilities. It's also unclear how well it integrates with existing development environments, which is a crucial factor for many users. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Google Antigravity could save time for developers, especially when generating boilerplate code or tackling repetitive tasks. The potential for increased productivity is definitely appealing. However, there are some significant drawbacks. For one, the lack of comprehensive documentation leaves a lot to be desired, which might frustrate users trying to get the most out of the tool. Also, the reliability of the generated code remains a concern. Users might find themselves having to debug or tweak the output more than they'd like. Additionally, it's important to consider that this tool may not suit everyone. Advanced developers might find it limiting, while beginners may struggle without proper guidance. In conclusion, Google Antigravity shows promise, especially for those looking to streamline their coding workflow. However, the lack of clear documentation and reliability could be a deal breaker for many. If you're a beginner or someone in need of quick code solutions, it's worth giving it a shot. But seasoned developers may want to explore alternatives first.